Siya yung mananalo. Okay na. Okay, ready? 1, 2, ready, go.
Happy birthday, guys.
1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Then, Ian. At Ian. Okay, ready? Ilan taon ka na? 9. May tanong ako sa'yo personal to. May girlfriend ka na? Uy! Yan. Tumalon na. Ready ka na? May boyfriend ka na? Kapitbahay. Meron pala ko wala rin. Okay, ganito. More than 10 counts, happy birthday, Bryson. Kailangan lagpasan mo yun. Ready ka na? Okay, 1, 2, ready? Wala pang go. Okay, ready? 1, 2, ready? Kailangan, anong go? Pwede pa nagsalita ng go. Ako mag-go, ha? Okay, 1, 2, ready? Go. Palakpakan muna natin dyan. Okay, ready? 1, 2, ready? Go.
Happy birthday, Bryson!
19 count! Yan, may kamukha pa, kapagbahay namin si Mosa, si Aling Lokring. Sige, palakpakan naman natin siya. Ayan. Okay, ready ka na? Danganda na? Muwi? Ipa, okay. Hindi na mga kumain na rin ito taas ng kumain. Oo, hindi na kayo kakain dito, ha? Sige, ready na. Happy birthday! More than 19 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.
Happy birthday,
Galing! Palakpakan naman natin siya. Okay, next. Lalaki. Ba, ito, maraming hangin to. What's your name?
DJ.
EJ, how old are you, EJ?
9.
English speaking ko, di ba? Okay, yan. Galingan ko pala, magalingan ko. Okay, ready? English speaking ka. Repeat after me, ha? Happy birthday, Bryson. More than 28 counts. Okay, ready?
Happy birthday.
Ayan, wait, okay, ready? 1, 2, ready, go.
Happy birthday, Bryson!
No extension. Ayan, okay, next. Sit down na. Okay, next. Babae, there you go. Okay, what's your name? Ayan, kita. Ready na? Handa na? Umuwi? Ipa, okay. Happy birthday! More than 28 counts. Yan yung 28 counts natin. Ayan. Okay, ready? 1, 2, ready? Go.
Happy birthday, Bryson!
Thirty counts. Aba, magaling. Next, lalaki. Aba. Ayan. Ayan. Mang Efren, kumusta ka na? Ano ba pangalan mo, Efren? Ay, hindi ba? Ano pangalan mo? Arlen ba yan? Ako, Efren. Ready ka na? Handang-handa na? Kumain? Ipa, okay. Happy birthday, Bryson. More than 30 rounds. Go!
Happy birthday, Bryson!
Wait for count. Okay, next, babae.